Worst kept secret in the camera world is the Sony ZVE10, which is then replacement to the ZVE10, the Sony vlog camera. But in a hilarious update to it, not only have we got the full leaked specs.
This was the bokeh button.
That piece of... Yes,
I remember this.
Yeah, the bokeh mode. Not only have we got the full specs released, we also have on the Sony Alpha Rumours site, which is a great website if you've not been there, plug to them, and I'll put them up on the video, about 6 or 7 images of the camera in someone's hand.
The factory.
We now have the most hilarious update to this. A camera shop in the UK was ahead of the release of this camera, which was supposed to be released a couple of weeks ago and got delayed, but they wouldn't admit it, produced their preview video advert for pre-orders. You see with camera shops all the time, and then when the embargo lifts, they release it on the day. They made it, the guy in a camera shop talking over Skype or Zoom or whatever to someone from Sony UK with the camera in hand, talking about this camera.
God, this is so awkward.
They put it on their YouTube channel and thought they had scheduled it and just let it go public.
No, they did not.
So there, for a short amount of time, there was a 10-minute video from Sony UK in a camera store
leaked to the world,
talking in depth about the Sony EV10.
Okay, tell me, just tell me, no one else.
Yeah.
Does it have a bokeh button?
It has a fucking bokeh button.
It was real.
What is a bokeh button?
The rumours are true.
Why does that exist?
Oh my God. How awful would you feel? What a monumental cock-up.
About leaking the video?
Yeah.
Well, obviously they took it down, but someone just ripped it straight away.
Of course.
Yeah. And has republished it, and now it's everywhere.
Yeah, because if you've got your notifications on, hit that bell.
Yeah,
you're going to find out first. Store. So when there's a cock up, you find out first.
It's amazing. Some of that. So Sony themselves have obviously confirmed by leaking everything, but they've not put a press release out. But in the video, Sony UK,
they tell you everything.
He shows you and talks you through the whole camera.
Oh, amazing!
So it is indeed an E-mounted vlog focus camera, a replacement to the ZVE10, but now has interchangeable lenses. That's the basics of it. So you can use all 60 of the Sony E-mount lenses on it. 24 megapixel APS-C size camera. It fits in the palm of your hand. It's like the EOS M's. It's that kind of sized.
Yeah.
They have include full sensor sampling. So the full width of the sensor gets sampled for video, which means you get just a better quality of image. It will include S-Log 2 and 3. You have that side-mounted articulating front-facing touchscreen.
It's pretty cool.
Like the
People love it.
Yeah, like, from the Canon 70D fame. They have fast phase autofocus, real-time eye tracking autofocus, and drum roll, please.
Yeah, you got there.
Yeah, no, drum roll, please. We have from the ZVE10 product mode for focusing, which if you're presenting to camera and you hold something up in front of your face, it focuses on that. Yeah. Because it uses phase detector.
I bet it's got really good breathing on it as well.
Yeah. And the coveted bokeh mode.
It's amazing.
It got me angry a minute ago. I'm sorry for shouting. But what is bokeh mode about? I understand the premise. I understand what the words mean. But what?
But like a forced bokeh mode is really, just pushing it, isn't it?
So obviously it's going to find the nearest thing in focus, or if it's in eye detect mode, find your eye, and then I guess open the aperture as wide as possible to blow out the background.
That could be really cool.
I hope it's done mechanically.
Yeah.
If it's done digitally, like portrait mode in phone cameras, it's going to be the worst thing ever put on a camera.
Oh dear.
Well, you know what, portrait, even on an iPhone, it's absolute trash.
It's where it chops out your ear or something.
It's going to be the photos, you've said it before, the photos that people look back on and go, oh my, what the hell?
Yeah. Never use those standard filters that are...
No, they'll just age your photos awfully.
I remember doing it years ago when saturation was kind of whacked up a notch.
Yeah.
Going over a load of photos and
why is everything red?
That looks so cool.
Punching.
That does not age well.
No.
Go back to me 2005 with my phone photos and you go, they look hideous.
And
of course you can't really correct it. You try and take away that saturation, you lose your contrast. It's all over the place.
It's like getting blocky.
Yeah. Well, they're huge megapixels as well.
Yeah, imagine they're massive photos.
But yeah, I think anything that's kind of like jumping on that kind of technology of playing around with them, as long as you can edit them back, keep the original file.
This won't be. But I hope for you, ZVE10 users' sake, that it is mechanical, this bokeh thing. At least then it will look natural, like it's supposed to. But if it's digitally enhanced, it'll be awful.
Leak a price on this?
No, I was really disappointed.
What a shame. Because it's an interesting. It's obviously it's aimed at a different audience for us. It's not filmmaking. It's not production. It's documentary.
It's a vlog camera.
It's a 100%. Vlog camera, yeah.
They even sell an additional accessory, which is like a hand grip for underneath it with Bluetooth controls.
Yeah,
it's got the side mounted thing. It does have a hot shoe, which that's good. Give them some credit for that. So you can put an external mic on, and it does have fairly good internal microphones. I was just looking quickly. The ZV1, the camera it's replacing, is around £700, £800.
Yeah, it's about what you
sub 1,000 is going to be.
You'd kind of hope they go up against Canon's 600.
Well, that's in a beautiful synergy, Pete. Thank you. Beginning and end joining together. That is what I think's happening here. I think Sony have released these vlog-friendly cameras. And I bet they've sold a fair few units as well, because put vlog in something and people just buy it. And Canon are looking at it with kind of green eyes and going, we really should be attacking the budget market too. And they're missing out. So going back to that very first story.
Who's not missing out? Nikon. They've sold so many they can't fulfill.
They have released a vlog-friendly camera of sorts, the ZFC. Yeah, they've sold so many that people can't get them.